Okay. GFI outlets are special devices designed to keep you from being shocked. They're personnel protection. A standard outlet, if you get shocked off of it, something bad is going to happen before the breaker turns off. In most cases, it'll take 30 seconds to a minute or more before the breaker shuts off. And by the time something bad has happened. GFI's personnel protection, this device here measures power coming out and power returning. If you get shocked, the power is not returning, this GFI knows it and will shut off before you get hurt. This is a little tester that simulates being shocked or electricity not going where it's supposed to go. And the GFI will shut itself right off long before you get hurt. Okay, this is a regular receptacle, not GFI protected. And if I plug in my tester here, and I give it the same test by shorting it out and making electricity not go where it's supposed to, as you can see on a standard circuit or standard outlet, nothing happens. So if you were to get shocked here, you're going to continue to get shocked until that breaker shuts off, which will take a very long time, especially if you're being shocked. It'll feel like forever. Okay. You do not need to have GFI protection everywhere. It wouldn't be a bad idea, but there are certain places that are required for you to have GFI protection, and it's a good idea. It's just good common sense. Anywhere that you're near water. Okay, so your bathrooms, your kitchens, outside where you're standing on a damp ground, in your basements or garages where you're standing on concrete. Concrete is about 80% moisture, even in a dry basement. So the likelihood of being shocked in those locations is increased. As well as your pools, jacuzzis, anything that's mixed with water and electricity should have a GFI, with the exception of some appliances like a washing machine or refrigerator or sump pump. They do not want to have GFI protection. But everywhere else where you commonly use it and you're near water, you should have it. Okay, this is the bubble cover. It's called an in-use cover, and it's designed to be used outdoors. You open the cover, you can plug in your cord, and then it goes through this little hole, and you snap your cover closed. And the point of this is when it's raining or outside and you leave something plugged in like Christmas lights or anything that you're plugged in overnight, even when you're plugged in, it's weatherproof. So if it rains, water's not going to get in here. Water getting inside of there would obviously destroy the outlet and the connection, so make them corrode, overheat, and eventually burn up. So in outdoor outlets, you always want to use a weatherproof cover that is a bubble in-use cover. And again, it's very simple to use.